Hi, everybody. Back to a more traditional vlog style for Vlogmas. I am getting ready to go home and be with my family for Christmas. I was actually supposed to leave today, but I did not go to bed until like 4:30 this morning, and I was like, no, I'm not, because I hadn't even packed yet. So it would have made the drive today like way too rough, and I'm not I don't like driving, and it's always a bad idea to drive tired. So I was like, you know what? I'm just going to stay here today and then get up really early so that I can be home for our family Christmas party. So, yep. Um and I was like, and I'll just pack and I'll go to bed at a good time and I'll get up early and I'll leave. Cuz it's just me. That should be pretty easy to do, right? Why is it now 8 hold up. It's 8:42 p.m. I want to be in the bed, lights out by midnight. And I have not packed anything. And I would also like to edit a YouTube video before going to bed. Why do I do these things to myself? I don't know why I do these things to myself. It's like I self-sabotage and make life harder than it needs to be. I don't know why I do this, but I just need to check the weather to see what the weather's going to be like and pack up my clothes. Pack up the clothes, toiletries, tech bag. Oh, excuse me. I got tired just going through it in my mind. But yeah, that's what I need to do. So I'm gonna do that. I just ate dinner downstairs and I started watching a YouTube video about content creators and like scaling as a content creator and monetization. So I didn't finish it. It's like a 51-minute podcast. So I'm about to finish it while packing. So let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. LETSGO. That's what my mom says all the time. My mom used to cheerlead. I used to be a cheerleader too back in the day. Not for like school or anything, just like the YMCA. But I quit after a year because I was like, my voice is not loud and I don't like screaming. Yeah, it wasn't really for me. But anyway, let's get packing. I think one of the harder things about packing is like, what am I going to wear? Because I will be going to church with my family and I'll be there for like the Christmas program and everything. And I'm just like, well, what do I wear? Because for that church, I really am like, they only see me like Christmas and Mother's Day. So I'm just like, what do I wear? I'll wear this. It's a little off the shoulder though. I don't know if it's too, like, I don't know if it's too much for church. Cause it's like, you see how it's cut? Like, what if, I don't know. What if it shows too much for church? I don't know if it's modest enough. And then it's also like a really thick material. So trying to go back and look at the weather. Winter in the South is difficult because it's like, well, no, it's not snowing, but like, it's not like it's July either. So like, how do you dress to be right for the season? I just realized that I don't really have like any winter dresses. Like if I wanted to wear a dress to church, I don't have any for the winter time. I have winter sweaters, but not really dresses. So I have 4 different options for top. Well, 6 different options for tops.
Ultimately, I realized that I really thrived in that kind of environment. Like some people find like when they have a quota on their back or a sales number that they have to hit, it's stressful. Like at lunchtime in silence. And so I started putting the content online. And my very first video ended up going viral. You know, so I go about my day. Later on that night, I'm sitting down or I'm watching a movie with my then boyfriend, now husband. And all of a sudden, I ended the video basically being like, tell me what your money questions are. And I just had thousands of comments of questions.
Okay, so my suitcases are packed. All my clothes anyway. The only thing I have to pack is my toiletries, which I'm going to use them again in the morning. So I'm not packing them up yet. But just my toiletries. If you can hear that, my wash machine is running, so I am washing clothes right now. Um, so that, yeah, so that's out of the way when I get back. Toiletries are done. Need to pack up tech items. Gonna give some things to my mom, not as Christmas presents, but like some decor things that I'm not using anymore, and to create space for when Tina moves in. So need to pack that up. And yeah, I need to write some emails for my virtual assistant jobs and then edit a video that should come out tomorrow. When I travel, it's hard to edit a video and get it sent out. So want to get that done tonight so that can be scheduled. It's 10:05. I got an hour and 55 minutes. That is ambitious. But I will say, I've been getting a lot quicker with video editing since Vlogmas has started. Like knocking out a video in like an hour, just editing really, really quickly. So let's do it. Let's go. Let's go. I got my stuff. If you can see, there's one suitcase. There's another suitcase. I'm about to send out the emails because my clients will want those. $1, $2, $1.50, $1.60. Need to know, I need to know in the heights on the downtown train. Okay, no way, I'll see you later. So. Okay, so it is 11:09 and I just finished writing 2 emails that will go out. So the client that I have, they're doing like 12 days of Christmas or like 12 deals of Christmas. So every day they want an email to go out talking about the deal for that day. So I just made 2 emails. One will go out tomorrow and one will go out the day after that. I like this client because they use Gusto and I can just clock in and out. So I just did 50 minutes of work and that is logged now. So it's very like seamless. So I like using Gusto for tracking my hours. That's not something that I came up with. This client has already been using it and she just added me to her company's like package or suite, whatever you want to call it. So now I'm about to edit. I do want to go to bed at 12 and it's now 11:11. Make a wish. And so yeah, I want to edit until 12 and then I'll see how far I get. Yeah, I'll see how far I get, but I have to drive tomorrow, so I do need to get a decent amount of sleep. So whatever I don't finish, I will have to make time to finish it tomorrow. So let's get started. And when I went to college, things changed because I got busy. Like I just had more going on. I always had a book near me. I always had a book near me. Okay, ask me what time it is because it's definitely not midnight. It's actually 1:14 a.m. I got in the groove of editing and I was like, I'm just gonna finish. So I did. I finished, and exporting takes a while on my computer because it's old and slow in certain ways. So it took a while to export the video. The video is like 40 minutes long, which is a longer video for me, but it had a lot to say. But yeah, I made the thumbnail and it's uploading to YouTube now, and I'm gonna schedule it so that it can go out later. Yeah, I'm gonna end the video here because I need to pack my tech bag for tomorrow, and then I'm going to bed, and then we'll see what time I wake up. Y'all pray for me. I don't know why I do this to myself. Okay, I'll see y'all in tomorrow's video. Bye.